So I'm Peter DeCoux. I'm Vice President of Engineering for Morgan Olson. This is our new product that we're launching this week. This is Kestrel. Kestrel is a mid-size body that's going to be used on the Gladiator platform. We chose the Gladiator as the platform for this because it is the most robust four-wheel drive mid-size that we could find in the market. We can't just use a stock Gladiator. The magic to what we do really happens back here. So starting here, as you can see, we have a two-door cab. The two-door Gladiator does not exist in the market, and we created this. So we created this by modifying the cab, removing the back section, adding this back wall, and then we recertify all of the engineering that it takes to make sure that the restraint systems and the airbags continue to be active. Coming back here, this is where the body starts. All aluminum body construction, same construction as we use for our larger vans for our customers like UPS, FedEx, even the postal vehicles that you see running around, the small LLVs. We've got 165,000 of those running around on the roads still today, 35 years later, with this same body construction. It is a fully configurable body for upfitters or for us to do. This configuration right now is set with 5 roll-up doors. This one has a bay with simple pull-out containers, a shallow bay here for small parts and wire. And then if you come around the back, we have outfitted this with a full-length bed slide. So the full-length bed slide allows to access into the back too, as well as these flip-up shelves for access. As you see here, we have not modified anything to the back of the vehicle. So the back of the vehicle from bumper to bumper is the Jeep Gladiator at its core. We don't modify the chassis at all, we only modify the cab. On this side, we've left it open, easy access for the bed slide and anything here. But then we've also added this function with the Milwaukee pack out. Again, all of this is configurable. And on the roof, we've put our sister company, this is a Master Rack ladder rack. And Master Rack has a number of these. We've outfitted this one with this, as well as this bed slide is our sister company, Lear. So capacity on this is a Class 2 vehicle. So it keeps it under the regulatory for licensing. Gives you 1,700 pounds of payload, which is, we match what we had on the Gladiator because the body elements that we take off, we put back on the same amount of weight. And then GVWR is 6,500 pounds on this vehicle. Still maintains the towing capacity because we have the max tow package on this vehicle of 6,000 pounds.